We are pleased to show you the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation package, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.